Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah with Warmboard. Hey, you're with me today back in Malibu with Armfield Construction and Total Architecture. Just checking out our install progress from the AFC Solar and Plumbing team. Wonderful job. All the panels are in, all the tubings are in. Today they're just finishing hook up the manifold. But they already got our boiler out. So this is our Warmsource boiler. Running natural gas out here today. But they got it unpacked out of the crate, ready to go. So it's just gonna get probably installed in the next few days here. They got a couple really neat details too. We had a condition where we went from slab on grade to run the lines underneath the stairs through the little crawl space that they have where the raised foundation is to get access to the boiler, which is just behind that wall. So really neat little detail, cutting that through. They also did custom routing for all these lines to go over. We also look at cabinet plans. We'll also provide filler panels such as these in this area where cabinetry is gonna go, the island's gonna go, and then we'll show all the custom routing in our plans, which is the good pathing for the tube to go around that. Really neat little details, very, very clean installation by the AFC team here. Can't wait to see it get fired up and do some thermal inches for y'all. I also wanna show a nice little detail of our manifold cabinet. So this is gonna be in the back of a closet. The contractor will install a nice access panel to hide it, but we have a nice 6-inch deep wall here. Manifolds here. We provide all the stickers. So now you know for any potential repair work, what's happening with the system, which loops might need to be adjusted or repaired or something down the road's happening. So a really nice indication, both hot and cold, get marked with our labels. This is our manifold controller here. We'll get some power hooked up shortly for it. Currently the system's sitting at 60 pounds of pressure to make sure nothing's damaged. So we know of it if it's happened. Rarely happens, which is always nice, but again, some really nice custom routing. Get into that manifold, through the sail plate, through the concrete there. It's a great install again. Just love seeing projects like this.